Welcome to my cooking recipe TV channel. Spaghetti bolognese is a popular Italian dish that consists of spaghetti pasta served with a meat-based sauce. The sauce, also known as ragu, is typically made with ground beef, vegetables, and a variety of herbs and spices. It is often simmered for a long time to allow the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. The origins of the dish are debated, but it is thought to have originated in the region of Emilia-Romagna, Italy, where Bologna is located. The dish has since become popular around the world and is a staple in many countries. It is often served as a family meal and is a favorite of children and adults alike. To make spaghetti bolognese, the sauce is typically prepared first. This involves sautéing vegetables such as onions, carrots, and celery in a large pot or Dutch oven. Ground beef is then added and cooked until it is browned. Red wine is often added to the pot and cooked until it has reduced by half. Tomatoes, tomato paste, and beef broth are then added to the pot along with herbs and spices such as basil, oregano, and thyme. The sauce is then simmered for about an hour until it has thickened. While the sauce is cooking, spaghetti pasta is prepared according to the package instructions. Once the spaghetti is cooked and the sauce is ready, the spaghetti is served topped with the bolognese sauce. Grated Parmesan cheese is often added on top as a garnish. Here's how to do. 1. 14.5 ounce, can diced tomatoes. 1. 6 ounce, can tomato paste. 2 cups beef broth. 1 teaspoon dried basil. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 bay leaf. 1 pound spaghetti. Grated Parmesan cheese, for serving. Instructions. 1. Heat the olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. 1. Add the onion, carrot, and celery and cook until the vegetables are soft, about 5 minutes. 1. Add the garlic and cook for an additional minute. 2. Add the ground beef to the pot and season with salt and pepper. 2. Cook the beef, breaking it up into small pieces with a wooden spoon, until it is browned. 3. Pour in the red wine and bring to a boil. 3. Cook until the wine has reduced by half, about 5 minutes. 4. Stir in the diced tomatoes, tomato paste, beef broth, basil, oregano, thyme, and bay leaf. 4. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 1 hour, or until the sauce has thickened. 5. While the sauce is simmering, bring a pot of salted water to a boil. 5. Add the spaghetti and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. 5. Drain the spaghetti and return it to the pot. 6. Remove the bay leaf from the bolognese sauce. 6. Serve the sauce over the spaghetti and top with grated Parmesan cheese. 6. Enjoy. If you find helpful and love this video, please like, share, drop your comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.